Removal of your mirror. Take this hand, place it here. This hand, open palm, push forward. It's held on by 3 pins. Turn your bulb connector and remove it from the housing, and you'll have the mirror in your hand. Those 3 pins fit into these 3 pockets. They have little metal fingers that are held together by a band. If that band is gone, the fingers will break off and this mirror will no longer work. You will have to replace the back portion of it in order to get your mirror to stay on the motorcycle. When you reinstall these are not inexpensive. Take great care reinstalling them so you don't break any of these fingers. You can put a little bit of grease on each of these. You're going to focus on this lower rear pin. That's what you want on first, after you install your bulb, of course. This pin, then this one. Make sure they're, can't move the mirror this way. It's good. Smack the front, smack the back. You're in. Off. On. Off. On. Mirror removal. Place a hand here, and you're going to use your palm. You're going to smack that fucking thing.